Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add currency converter to Wix. So the first step is to simply go to add apps, and then you're going to have to simply search for currency converter, and then what you're going to have to do next is simply click on this one here, the free one, and then simply add this to your site. So we're gonna have to install this app, and basically with this app you're gonna be able to convert the currency based on the location of the user. So maybe you want to add multiple locations, you're gonna have to go to settings, and then you're gonna have to simply configure here, as you can see, manual converter or automatic. So here for this you're gonna have to upgrade for the pro plan, but basically you can use it for free for a limited time, then you're gonna have to pay, but overall that's all you have to do. So guys, I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.